Hello, welcome back to another Maker Monday here at the Jessamine County Public Library.
Today we are going to be exploring Microsoft Word and just a basic tutorial of some of the options within that software. So as you can see right now, I am on the home screen. With Microsoft Word, we can either start with a blank document, which is what we'll do today, or there are some preloaded templates that we can work with. So now if you notice along this top here on the home screen, you can see there are some basic templates. Now we can also go to where it says more templates, and you can see there are quite a bit more. So for instance, if we needed like a resume or something, there's a template right there. But again, we're just going to start on a blank document today. So the first thing we'll look at is our paragraph alignment. So if you notice right up top here, we have the buttons for that. So right now, you can see it's selected on the left-hand side. So if we started typing, it's on the left. Now, of course, if we were to change this to the center or the right, of course, it will line it like so. So next thing we'll look at is bullets. So if we had a list, and I'll create a list real fast. We could set this to be a list. So I'll select all this. And if you notice, we have the buttons up top here for either bullets or numbering, depending on what we want. And we'll explore the bullets today. So if you notice, there are some preloaded ones, but if we wanted, we could even go down here to define new bullet. And we do a symbol, picture, font. We'll go ahead and just do a symbol. And you can see we could select one of these symbols. And hit OK. And now you can see we have the list with the symbol that we chose. Or let's say we wanted to start typing a paragraph. So if we wanted to adjust the settings for that, up top here again in the paragraph menu, we have this arrow right here where we can select a few things. So the first thing we'll look at is the indentation. So that's just going to be how far set in the paragraph starts. So if we wanted, we could set this to be the first line. And for example, let's just do 0.25. Now spacing in between the paragraph is right below it. And we'll just set this to double. And you can see in our preview down here, you can see how that's changing the paragraph. And we'll just hit OK. Now, for instance, if I had, again, some words, I'll just do a copy paste here to have multiple times. You can see where that double space is, and of course, where that 1/4 inch indentation is. So now what we can do is play with the font. So if we wanted to do that, we can just select the text that we want to change. Up top here, we have this drop-down menu where you can change the font. And of course, within here, there's tons of fonts that you could choose from. And right next to it, we have our font size. So if you wanted the text to be larger or smaller, you could adjust that accordingly. So what we can also do in Word is import images, and we'll do that right now. So up top here, we have the insert button and picture. So I'll just select an image on my computer and hit insert. And you can see that added that picture. Now with these boxes right here, or these circles, we can adjust the size of the image. And up top here, we can use this button to crop the image. And with these boxes right here, you can see we can really just hone in on the part of the image that we want. And then hit enter when you're done. Just like so. So the final thing we'll do is save the document. And I can just do either Control S or hit the save button up here. It's going to ask me for a name and a save location. So you just choose wherever you want to save the document to, and then hit the save button, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for tuning in for Maker Monday. I'll see you next time. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Thank you.